Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Webflow component slots, a deep dive into consistency and flexibility. Webflow's components are powerful tools for creating reusable elements. But what if you need to customize these components on a per-instance basis while maintaining overall structure? That's where component slots come in. This tutorial provides a comprehensive understanding of component slots, their benefits, and how to use them effectively to build consistent yet flexible websites in Webflow. What are component slots? Think of component slots as customizable placeholders within a component's structure. They allow you to inject different content, text, images, other components, etc., into predefined areas of your component without altering the core layout. This unlocks incredible flexibility while ensuring that your components retain a consistent overall design. Why use component slots? Consistency. Maintain a unified design language across your site by using the same component structure for different scenarios. Flexibility. Adapt component instances to specific contexts by filling the slots with relevant content. Avoid creating entirely new components for minor variations. Reusability. Leverage pre-built components with customizable parts, saving time and effort. Maintainability. Update the core design of a component in one place, and those changes will propagate to all instances, reducing maintenance overhead. Scalability. As your website grows, component slots become essential for managing and extending your design system efficiently. No-code customization. Enable your clients or colleagues to easily modify component content without needing to touch the component's structure or code. Use cases for component slots. Card components. Change the title, description, and image of a card while preserving its overall layout. Hero sections. Customize the headline, subheadline, call to action button, and background image of a hero section based on the page. Testimonials. Swap the quote, author name, and profile picture in a testimonial component. Navigation items. Dynamically change the link text and URL of navigation items within a navigation bar component. Call to action, CTA, sections. Tailor the message, button text, and imagery to different conversion goals. How to implement component slots in Webflow. Let's create a practical example. A card component with slots for a title, description, and an optional image. 1. Create a new component. In your Webflow project, navigate to the Components panel on the left sidebar. Click the plus button to create a new component. Name it Card Component, or something similar. 2. Structure the component. Inside the component, build the basic layout of your card. This will be the core structure that remains consistent across all instances. Here's a simple example using divs and classes. 3. Apply styles. Add CSS styles to your classes to define the appearance of the card. For example, 4. Turn elements into slots. This is the crucial step. Select the elements you want to make customizable slots. Card title, H3. Select the H3 class equals card title element. In the right-hand panel, Settings tab, scroll down to the Component Slots section. Click plus Add Slot. Give the slot a descriptive name, like title text. Card description, P. Select the P class equals card description element. Add a slot and name it description text. Card image, IMG. Select the IMG class equals card image element. Add a slot and name it image source. Optional, Make image wrapper conditional *. Often, you might not always need an image. You can make the entire cart image wrapper conditionally visible or hidden based on whether an image is provided. Select the cart image wrapper div, create a boolean, true/false, component slot. Name it show image. Set the default value to true. Now go to the style panel of the cart image wrapper and under display settings, click the conditional visibility icon, I. Select the show image slot. Now, in the page instance, if show image is set to false, the entire image section will be hidden. 5. Understanding slot types ***. Webflow offers different slot types, each suitable for specific content. Text allows you to change the text content of an element, like the title and description. Image allows you to change the image source of an img element. Link allows you to change the URL of an A element. Rich text allows you to change the content of a rich text element, more complex formatting. Boolean checkbox creates a true/false value, useful for showing/hiding elements conditionally, like our show image example. Number allows you to change numerical values, such as font sizes or margins. Select provides a drop-down menu with predefined options for selecting different values. Switch a toggle-like control similar to Boolean, often used for enabling/disabling features. Color allows you to change the color of an element. Component allows you to nest another component within the slot. This is advanced and useful for building complex, modular structures. 6. Using the component on a page ***. Navigate to a page in your Webflow project. Drag your card component from the Components panel onto the canvas. Select the component instance on the page. In the right-hand panel, Settings tab, you'll see the Component Slots section. You can now modify the title text, description text, and image source slots with your desired content for this specific instance of the card. If you made the card image wrapper conditional, you can toggle the Show Image checkbox to show or hide the image section. Code example, HTML. The final HTML output, after setting slot values on the page, might look something like this. Webflow generates this behind the scenes. Important considerations and best practices planning carefully plan which aspects of your components should be customizable and which should remain fixed. Overusing slots can lead to complexity. Slot naming use clear and descriptive slot names to make them easy to understand for yourself and other users. Avoid generic names like slot 1 or content. Default values set reasonable default values for slots to ensure the component looks good even if no custom content is provided. Slot types choose the appropriate slot type for the content you're customizing. Nesting consider nesting components within slots for more complex customizations. For example, you could have a button component and put it in a card action slot. Component organization keep your components well organized within the Components panel to avoid confusion. Design system component slots are an integral part of a well-defined design system. Document your components and their slots clearly. Advanced techniques conditional visibility. Boolean slots use Boolean slots to show or hide entire sections of your component based on a true/false value. This is useful for optional elements or different variations. As demonstrated in the card image example above. Component slots, nesting nest components within other component slots. This creates a powerful and highly modular approach. For example, you could create a button component and allow users to inject different button components into a call to action slot within a hero component. This requires careful planning but unlocks immense flexibility. Dynamic lists. Component slots can be used within dynamic lists to customize the content of each list item. Connect a CMS collection to the dynamic list, and then use component slots to control the appearance and content of each item based on the data from the CMS. This is extremely powerful for creating blogs, portfolios, and e-commerce websites. Example, using a component slot for a dynamic button. 1. Create a button component. Design a simple button element. Make the text and link URL slots. Name them button text and button link respectively. 2. Modify the card component. Within the card component, add a new div after the card content div. Give it a class like card actions. This will hold our button. 3. Add a component slot to the card actions div. Select the card actions div. Create a component slot and name it card action button. Set the slot type to component. 4. On the page drag the card component to the page. Now, in the component slots section for the card, you will see card action button. Click the choose a component drop-down and select your button component. Now your card contains a button. You can further customize the button by changing its button text and button link values directly on the page, within the context of that specific card. Common mistakes to avoid overusing slots. Too many slots can make your component difficult to manage and understand. Strike a balance between flexibility and simplicity. Unclear slot names. Use descriptive slot names to avoid confusion. Ignoring default values. Provide sensible default values to ensure the component looks good even without customization. Not planning. Carefully plan the structure of your component and which aspects should be customizable before implementing slots. Modifying the core component style on the page, instead of the base component. Avoid making styling changes directly to the component instance on the page. Always modify the core component styling to maintain consistency across all instances. Page-level edits should primarily focus on slot content. Conclusion. Component slots are a fundamental tool for building scalable, maintainable, and flexible websites in Webflow. By understanding how to use them effectively, you can create reusable components that adapt to different contexts while maintaining a consistent design language across your project. Practice with different slot types and scenarios to master this powerful feature and unlock its full potential. Remember to carefully plan your components, use descriptive slot names, and provide sensible default values to ensure a smooth and efficient workflow.